People always ask me why my bathroom is so fragrant. That's the secret, and that's what it is. After this tip, you'll never have to spend money on making your bathroom clean and fragrant again. To do this, we'll need a bottle like S. And inside the bottle, we're going to add fabric softener here. I'm using this one, but you can use whatever you have in your house, and we're only going to add 1 cap. Next, we'll also need baking soda. Add a spoonful of baking soda. We're also going to use a lemon, preferably this type of lemon, as it's more acidic and will be better for our tip. Cut the lemon in half, then end it inside the bottle. This tip is simply wonderful. I'm sure you and your family will love it. And finally, let's pour in a glass of water, about 200 milliliters. As you can see, the bottle didn't fill up completely, and that's exactly what we need. You can't fill the bottle. Once it's closed, turn it upside down, and with the help of an object, we're going to make a hole in this part. I'm using a hot wrench. That's it. Now let's go to the bathroom where I'm going to show you how to use it and what are we going to do. As the hole is at the top, we're going to turn it over, and as you can see, it will come out drop by drop. However, when we put it in the toilet tank, it will only come out when we flush. And with each flush, the lemon together with the bicarbonate is already cleaning your toilet, helping to kill bacteria and germs and preventing that strong smell of urine. The fabric softener, on the other hand, will give your toilet that delicious scent, keeping it fragrant at all times. Now all you have to do is cover the toilet. And every time you flush, you'll get all these benefits. Keeping your toilet clean and fragrant, and best of all, spending next to nothing. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed it. Do it at home too. You're sure to love the results.